Now this is cool, dual living in a residential zone on over 1,300 square meters of land. So much to see, go and have a look.
Inside the main residence, you'll find a fantastic floor plan featuring 4 generous sized bedrooms, a formal living space, a double lockup garage, and outside, there's so much more to see.
I love the feeling of connection this outdoor area provides with this gorgeous pool connecting the main home to the granny flat. Go and check it out.
This is where it's truly special, a fully self-contained 1-bedroom granny flat featuring its own entrance. There's so much more to see here, we cannot wait to show you through. We'll talk soon.
I've been staring at a road